Hello guys. Welcome to another episode of agrolena.com tutorial where we have been putting you through on various guides on how you can start farming, ranging from plant cultivation to animal husbandry and all of that. And the best agronomic practices you can put in any of this field to achieve the very best uh, of the venture. So today I quickly want to chip in a little tips on how you can avoid weed growing in your tomato farm and avoid post and pre emergence of weeds and all type of grasses that may harm or affect your tomato farm and every other plantation. This is necessary because sometimes we have a large piece of land to manage. We have a large piece of acre and farms of different vegetable. Probably you are into cabbage, carrot, and every other type of farming. You may want to prevent, weed from going quickly from one farm to other. There are organic way to do that, and there are inorganic way to go about that. Yeah, organic and inorganic way to go about that. For the organic, you can cover the topsoil, or your ridges. You can see you can cover the ridges with mulch it. We call it mulching. You can mulch the surface of the ridges with grasses you've cut and dry grasses, and also cover crops you can plant. To cover the surface of the ridges. Nonetheless, there's inorganic way, one of the most effective and fast action. Immediately you are done, heaping or making a ridges on your farm. The next thing you have to do is to get a sealant, a soil sealant. An example of soil sealant, I have CDN scraper here. CDN scraper, you can see CDN scraper is one of the best soil sealant you can use. You just need 300 milligram of these, 300 grams of these inside a 16-liter of sprayer. You spray your farmland with this, and if eventually you have grown, if eventually you have heap your farm for like some days before you want to transplant, and you discover you have some weed already growing, then you can use a contact herbicide. Example of contact herbicide that I use is weed crusher. You can use phosphor. You can use um, any type of contact herbicides that you have in your area there. So with the combination of these two, you can prevent grasses from weed from growing in your tomato, pepper, every other vegetable plantation you embarked on. So here we will show you in the later episode how we are able to spray this, how we are able to prevent this up to maturity, and we are able to prevent weeds and grasses from growing. So you can stay tuned on AgroLearner. We have the best tips to offer. If there's any question you need to ask, drop it in the comment section down below. We are here and available to answer every request. Thank you. God bless you. Till we meet again.